Creating your own Macrame plant hanger is a fun and soothing way to bring a touch of nature into your home. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just dipping your toes into the world of handmade decor, this project is beautifully simple and incredibly rewarding. With just a few basic materials and a bit of patience, you'll soon have a stylish, functional piece that elevates any space. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. Start by gathering your supplies. You'll need macrame cord, choose a sturdy cotton cord for a classic look, a sharp pair of scissors, a ring or a wooden dowel to anchor your cords, and of course, the pot for your favorite plant. Select cords about 3 to 4 millimeters thick for a balance of strength and flexibility. You'll want to cut 8 lengths of cord, each about 2.5 times the height where you want your hanger to sit. Don't worry if this seems long. The extra gives ample room for knots and fringe. Begin by feeding the cords through your ring or tying them securely around your dowel. Fold each cord in half and pull the folded end through the ring, creating a loop. Then, feed the loose ends through this loop and pull tight to secure. A knot known as the lark's head. When all cords are attached, you should have 16 strands hanging down. Smooth them out, ensuring they're even and untangled. The next step is the gathering knot, which anchors your hanger and creates a neat, finished look at the top. Take a separate piece of cord, about 20 centimeters in length. Hold all 16 strands together just below the ring or dowel. Wrap the extra cord around the bundle several times, keeping it snug and even. Feed one end of the wrapping cord through the loop at the bottom, then pull the top end to tighten the knot. Trim any excess cord for a clean finish. Now, it's time for the fun part, creating the design with basic macrame knots. Divide the 16 cords into 4 groups of 4. Working with the first group, tie a square knot. To do this, take the leftmost cord over the 2 center cords, then the rightmost cord over the leftmost cord, under the center cords, and through the loop. Pull tight. Repeat in the opposite direction to complete the square knot. Do this for each group, keeping the knots even and aligned at the same height. Move a few inches down and repeat the square knots with alternating cords. This creates a net-like pattern that will cradle your plant pot. For added interest, mix in a few spiral knots by tying only the first half of a square knot repeatedly. This gives a twisting, rope-like effect. Continue alternating knots and groups until the net reaches the desired length, usually about halfway down your pot. Next, gather all the cords together directly below the bottom of your plant pot. Tie another gathering knot to hold everything securely. This forms the base of your hanger, ensuring your pot is supported. Leave a few inches of cord below for a decorative fringe, or trim the cords for a sleek look. Carefully place your plant pot into the hanger, adjusting the knots as needed to ensure it sits level and snug. Hang your creation from a hook, ceiling mount, or sturdy branch, and admire your handiwork. The gentle process of knotting and weaving not only crafts a beautiful piece, but also offers a calming, meditative experience. Macrame plant hangers are more than just trendy decor. They're a practical solution for small spaces, a way to display greenery at eye level, and a testament to the charm of handmade artistry. With just a few simple knots and some creativity, you've made something that's both beautiful and functional. Enjoy your new macrame plant hanger as it brings life and style to your home.